Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to download and install Vaughn's application on your iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once you are connected, go and open up your App Store. Now, once you do, go to the search box at the top and type in Vaughn's. Soon after you get to the search result, tap open the Vaughn's Deals and Delivery application and tap the Get button to start downloading the app on your device. Once you tap on Get, wait for the application to download and install, which will take a couple of minutes depending upon the internet speed. With the Vaughn's application installed on your device, you can shop, save and plan your meals with all-in-one app, get everything you need from fresh product and delivery orders to pet food and prescriptions. So that is how you will be able to get the official Vaughn's application installed on your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.